with potholes and obstacles. I've fallen so many times. It forged character though, and growth in my rhymes. Now when I fall, I'm older. Get up, smile, brush the dirt up on my shoulders. I used to do things the hard way. Today, I pray and listen to what God say. The path for my life is laid out for me. You could rest in peace, wreck. We carrying the torch, homie. To all the people that got love for me, I push on and try to write our stories. These are the days for a constant building. Construct futures for all of our children. Make cash, make it last. You know how fast them days will pass in a flash. The sands in the hourglass slip through your fingers cause you never got a grasp. Get a grip, get it straight, or else you let it slip and you never elevate right now. There's no time to waste. Put your best foot forward and try to keep pace. Push on. All my people, you got to push on. On and on and on and on. I built my foundation on the rock, so when the winds of change come, I won't fall off. You see my outstretched hand. Success means nothing to me unless I share with my fam. To my peeps abroad and stateside, let's make strides, make papes and change lives, create fly tracks to change the tide. So maybe someday true art will survive. I am here to pioneer a brand new pathway, introduce you to God in these last days. Everybody's attitude is so cumbersome, run their whole life never knowing what they running from. So stop for a second, take a look, and listen to the wisdom that is written in the book. Get a grip, get it straight, or else you let it slip and you never elevate right now. There's no time to waste. Put your best foot forward and try to keep pace. Push on. All my people, you got to push on. On and on and on and on. Through a smoke screen of hopes for cream, have you floating down a stream full of broken dreams. They call it Maine, but it's really just a scheme to get you on lock when no one can hear you scream. Most deaf said it best, it's a better built cell block where they put you to death if you don't sell hot records. But see, we changing that too. Big business hip-hop, we aiming at you. If they putting out garbage, don't buy it. Remember, one stone took down the giant. Have faith like David and Goliath. Avoid the bias and keep your mind pious. Get a grip, get it straight, or else you let it slip and you never elevate right now. There's no time to waste. Put your best foot forward and try to keep pace. Push on. All my people, you got to push on. My man Knack, you got to push on. The SPs, you got to push on. On and on and on and on. On